Hey guys, Captain Keto here. Almost forgot it was weigh-in day. Ooh, man, I'm getting bad with time. However, it's still Tuesday. It's still weigh-in day. Here we go. Grab the measure scale.
Hello. Please step on the
Always
scale.
loud. Same results as last time. Not the last time I weighed in, but remember on my last video, I said I had some exciting news for you guys. Alright, so that exciting news is official. I am now at, what was it? Last time I was at 399. So I am now at 396.7. I was at 399.8. That officially makes it 3 more pounds down. Not a lot of poundage, but it's still weight. And it's a lot better than last week where I didn't gain or drop anything. So, I'm excited with that. I'm happy with that. 3 more pounds down, plus the 17 that I lost the first week. Week number 3 is officially over. And we have now weighed in at 20 pounds, guys. 20 pound weight loss. That's freaking amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright guys, so last time I went into a little thing, told you guys not to give up. This is why right here, I didn't give up. I kept going, and I'm losing weight again. We're going to have weeks that we don't lose weight. But then we're going to have weeks that we do. I mean, it's just an ongoing process, guys. So don't give up. Always push forward. It's an awesome journey. I'm loving the way I feel so far. I'm really energetic. It's awesome, 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 guys. I highly recommend, if you're on the fence about keto, go ahead and do it. If you don't like it after you try it out, then stop. It's that simple, but try it out. I highly suggest you try it out. I guarantee you're going to love it, guys. Alright, so, as always, do me a favor. If you're watching this on YouTube, go over to Facebook. Go to the Facebook group, It's a Keto Life for Us. Once again, that's It's a Keto Life for Us. This time I will have it down in the description. I'll have to start getting good at that, remembering to do that. Also, please, 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 if you're on YouTube, click the subscribe button down below so that you are told when my new videos come out. Every time they come out, hit the bell notification. Alright guys, so subscribe down below, hit the bell notification, go into the comments, tell me how much you're weighing if you're doing the keto lifestyle with me. In the comments, just let me know if you plan on starting the keto lifestyle or if you just plan on watching the channel, which is fine with me too, however you want to do it. If you're watching this on Facebook, please give them some thumbs up, hearts, show me some love, and go over to YouTube and subscribe, hit the bell notification for Kaptain Keto with a K, guys. Captain with a K and then Keto. You'll see my ugly mug. You know you got the right one. Alright guys, so as always, I hope you all have a wonderful night, and I will see you in the next video.